Riwruok ma ok mar piny owacho mong'ere kaka Hat Kenya kawuono chweyo kogi winjruok kod kambi ndege ma pacho ka mano Kenya Airways mar chiwo tiko ma nengogi ogonyore mar duoko Jokenya mane timogo ohala ma ok opuodhi e pinje ma oko. Mabiro e kinde ma riwruok ma Hat temo duoko piny ohand uso dhano kendo neno ni jogo mane otere pinje ma oko ataro gi dwaro mag bende oduokgi. Kane oloso kinde mane isedayanga chenro ni, jaratije mar Hat Kenya Tabitha Njoroge olero ni chenro no geto neno ni jogo mawuok e pinje Afrika mane oter South East Asia oduok pacho.
Today marks a significant milestone in our mission to restore dignity, hope, and justice to survivors of human trafficking. So I sit here with profound gratitude as we formalize a partnership between Awareness Against Human Trafficking, that is Hat Kenya, where I come from, and Kenya Airways, our partners, who are the pride of Africa. This partnership is more than a document. It's not just a document we are signing today, it's a statement of values. It affirms our shared commitment to a victim-centered and trauma-informed approach, recognizing that the first point of contact for many survivors returning home is the airline. It matters deeply how they are received, how they are treated, how they are made to feel human again after enduring unimaginable horrors. So through this collaboration with Kenya Airways, they are not just a carrier, but a partner in healing. So together we are ensuring safe, dignified, and compassionate return journeys that often mark the beginning of recovery and reintegration back home.